So what's up guys? Today I'm going to try to explain to you how CSGO skins actually generate money, because some people ask me if I am already making money with CSGO skins, and since I have not posted any of my Lamborghinis yet, the answer is no, because I don't own any Lamborghinis. And what you can already hear out of this is there's no in between. Either you make a lot of money or you don't make any money. There's no I make a few hundreds per month. There's not even I make a few thousands per month. There's only I'm rich. Basically, that's like the only thing that happens if you ever get your CSGO skin into the game. So as a disclaimer, I'm no one to know anything about this topic, but I'm always good at learning things very quick. I'm good at talking to the right people. So I talked to one skin creator, as mentioned in the last video. So he told me some stuff, and I talked to a lot of people that are very deep into the topic. So I tried to sum up all the knowledge I got from all these people, and I'm basically trying to make an estimate on how much money can be made, but also just explain on how money is even made for people that really have no idea how this whole system even works. So we're going to jump right into it. The way you even get into the game. So if you have ever played Counter-Strike or CSGO, you'll see that there's not 10,000s of skins. There's actually a handful of skins, and you might even know all of these skins because there are not that many skins. And if you go over to CSGO Stash, if you're interested, you can just look around what skins there are to do some research on what there is right now. So there are around 50 skins being accepted to the official build of CSGO per year. So 50 skins per year are accepted into the game. So not really many more, not really many less. How this works is, or how it works, so, and how you as a person even get the chance to get added to the game. So on Steam, there's a thing called Steam Workshop by Valve, and the Steam Workshop is basically the modding area for the community. So CSGO or whoever can watch this place and see what the community is creating, and maybe add stuff from that into the official game. And skins is a huge workshop deal. So how do you get into the workshop? First, you create a skin, and then you basically upload it to the workshop. This skin is not just going to go through. There's a team that will control and check everything about that skin, and also check copyrights and stuff like that. So basically, you can't scam your way into the workshop even. So not even to the game, not even to the workshop. This process can take months and sometimes even years until your skin is actually checked, until you are actually in the CSGO build. So now, next step, we are in the workshop. We're almost in the game, theoretically, still very far away from the game. What happens now? So there are basically two ways how you can get into the game. Your skin is gonna get voted up. So all the unlimited Steam account users, so not just the new account, the unlimited Steam account user, can vote, and they will see your skin. And what they can vote for is basically, do you want to see the skin in the official CSGO build? Yes, no, or ask me later. Ask me later is you get asked later, and yes is yes, and no is no. So, but that's not the simple solution. So if you get thousands of votes, that doesn't mean you're going to make it into the game. And basically, I don't know exactly, but I assume to avoid, so let's say I'm a super famous CSGO esports gamer, but I don't know how to design skins, so I open up Paint and I start painting a very bad looking CSGO skin, but I've got a huge following and I get more than enough votes. That doesn't work, because Valve themselves will check that once again, and at the end they have the lever, at the end they have the last word, they decide on what is chosen. And also one of my resources said that even Valve sometimes suggests feedbacks and changes on your skin to then be accepted. So they're interested in the skin and they say change this and that, and you change it and then it's accepted. So they really have the ultimate power. And yeah, you have to convince them at the end of the day, but also, of course, the community. You just have to convince everyone of that your skin is good, basically. So you can't sneak yourself in, as far as I researched and learned and everyone told me so far. So now we are basically, in the game, in the official build. It sounds like that was a short path there. It's going to be a way longer path in the praxis. Also, the one CSGO creator I talked to, he said he was creating, I don't know if he like overestimated, but he said thousands of skins per month over 3 years until he got, I think, 4 skins or so accepted into the game, and is making $500,000 per year from those skins. So it was a lot of work to get there, but now he's there, and now he doesn't do anything anymore. He is now free. So we're in the game. There's 2 ways that CSGO skins create money. I think, as my calculations say, skin sales is the lower entry. So that's the one way skins can make money. The other main way, and a bit easier to calculate way, is CSGO case skins. CSGO case keys. So from the keys that have a fixed value by Valve, so that's direct Valve money, it costs to $50. So there the math is going to be easier. So on skin scales first, so in CSGO, a skin can cost $50, a skin can cost $1,000, a skin can cost 7 cents. No one determines that value. The community basically determines that value. It's just supply and demand and what people want, what people don't want. And also these cases basically bring out the skin into the world. So they give birth to the skin. And if the skin hasn't brought into the world often enough, there's a limited supply of this skin, so the value can really go up. And it's kind of like investing into stocks or into Bitcoin. It's like you can actually also trade with skins. Like, it's a real thing, it's a real value. This isn't a freemium iPhone game where they say buy this for $249. These are real numbers, these are real values. The skin really has that value. It's really worth that money. So that's the one thing you make money if people sell and trade your skin every time. I don't know what the percentage is, but you'll get a percentage of that trading, and you can actually look up how many trades and sales there are per day per skin, and you could roughly calculate that per skin. I didn't do that because it really varies between skins, popular skins, less popular skins, that can really change a lot in value. So I'm going to skip that, but that's going to be a good portion of money since there's around 1 million active players every day. And I don't know how many skin sales per day, but a ton. So the next place you can make money. So there's 2 things, as mentioned, skin sales and skin keys. So case keys. I don't know why I'm struggling with that word. So you get a case randomly, and these cases are put into the game once a year, pretty much. And these cases have around 70 skins, and one skin is by one creator, but there are creators that have multiple skins in the game. So it doesn't mean that you only have one skin. And also from a few people I've heard, once you have one skin in the game, Valve kind of knows you, and it's way easier to get even more skins into the game. So it seems like it's almost more likely to have a few skins in the game than one skin. So now we've got this case. I'm a CSGO player. I got this case. I know there's new skins, and I want this one skin, but this skin costs $1,200 in the Steam market. I could buy it, but I don't feel like investing $1,200 to buy some skin. So I will open the case for $2.50, and hopefully I'll get it for free, or not for free, but for $2.50. So that's pretty much why you would open a case in the first place. It's kind of like gambling, and you could make a lot of money and also sell the skin. So there's also another way you as a non-creator can make money with CSGO skins, but that's not what I'm going to talk about today. So then the skin was created. So if no one opens the case, the skin doesn't exist. If a lot of people open the case, still some skins maybe don't exist because certain skins can just be rare and certain skins can be less rare. So certain skins there aren't many in the world, and certain skins there's a lot in the world. So that's pretty much how this value gets created. So, and if we say that from this $250 per case opening, Steam or Valve maybe takes 50%. I have no idea what the number is, but let's say 50%. And we say that in the case there's 17 creators. So if we take 50% of a key, so an opening of a case, and that's a fixed value, it never changes, $2.50. We take 50% of that. So $1.25 is left for the creators in the skin case. And there are 17 skin creators in that case. So per creator, on an average, one creator gets 7 cents per key sale. And that doesn't sound much, but as mentioned, there's around 1 million active users per year. CSGO is getting more and more popular over a lot of years. So the last 5 years, or 6 years, was very, very popular. Before that, a bit less popular, but still very popular, especially since it's free. It got very popular. So let's move further down. So the Spectrum 2 case, actually FastAss found a number that on January 18th on 2021, so a few days ago, there were around 62,000 cases sold on that day. So on an average, one case, not all cases, this one case, is sold 62,000 times per day on an average for an opening of $2.50. Not every case is open because there's also people that invest into cases because value can change for cases. So also skins are limited, but also these cases that are put into the world are also limited, so they also have a value at some point. So theoretically they're free, but exactly that's how the value is created, because you get them for free and then suddenly you don't get them for free. And if you want one after that, you have to buy one. And imagine, and believe me, it's not going to stay free if it's a rare case and if there's a certain skin that you just really want or whatever. So the value can go up. So not every case will be open, but still, probably most cases will be opened because that's the main idea behind a case, and people want to maybe get a expensive skin. So 62,000 skin cases were opened. That generated $150,000 on that one day, on that one case. So a lot of money. Valve takes 50% cut. I don't know, as mentioned, what the number is. Let's say 50%. So for the creators, there's 72,500 per day left. So we're going to split that by 17. So we've got $4,570 left per creator per day. That makes, if you multiply it over the year, and CSGO is not Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. So that makes 1.6 million per year for your skin. So I talked to one skin creator that actually is making money off of skins, and he said that this number is high, so he makes a third of that. But I also think that depends on how many cases were actually open. Maybe there's a less popular case or whatever. There's a lot of scenarios. The cut of Valve is way higher than that. I don't know. Or tax is a big hit. So if anyone would just transfer 1.6 million onto my bank account, you can believe me that Germany is probably going to take at least 45% of that. So you can probably at least half in that sum directly because of income tax and stuff like that. And then we will slowly hit the 500,000, which I know as a fact is what you can get with your skin. And also on top, the skin sales will also add up, but I still think that's a slower portion of the whole money you make, but still can be a lot. Also, actually, FastAss sent me a little video from 2017 where a guy basically just cuts the edge of how much you can make.
40,000 per skin is the old number when CSGO first started, but all I can say is you get way more than that.
Because there's a rumor that you can make 40,000 per year per skin, but that was very early in CSGO days. And if you look at the statistics of CSGO, there were way less players. So yeah, and also back in the day, I don't know if that's part of the reason, but back in the day, CSGO costs money. I think it was $20. I'm not sure anymore. So maybe people were less ready to invest into CSGO, but since it's free, it's all about investing. So I can also imagine that changed the numbers. And as you can see in the video, it's probably quite a bit more. And as mentioned, I have a source that told me it's more. And also I've got a lot of rumored sources that also told me it's way more. So everyone is basically saying it's around 500,000, or if you do calculation, maybe even around 1 million. And also the guy I talked to, he doesn't have big skins. Like it's just a normal skin. It's nothing special. So if you have one of the top skins or top AK skins and stuff like that, I think it's going to be easily like in the millions. And also, I don't know, but maybe it's also dependent on the country and the value of the currency and stuff like that. So I don't know if the $2.50 is worldwide. So I don't know if someone in a different country pays less or more. I'm not sure about that, or if it's really a fixed value around the globe. I don't know, but still, that's basically how it's generated. So if we sum it up once again, how do you make money with CSGO skin? You create one, you get into the workshop, so you get approved. Then votes aren't enough, so you need a really cool skin and you need votes. You basically just need everything approved that it's good and cool and that people want it. Then you're going to get published to the official game. There's two in sources of money. One is sales, so trading of skins, and you make a percentage of that. You can kind of calculate that because you can see the real numbers in the Steam market per skin. And Steam case key sales, that's a fixed value, a fixed price. It's like the fixed currency of CSGO. So you can kind of calculate from that. And yeah, it's gonna end up in like $50,000 per month doing nothing once you're in the game. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Also, on a side note, you guys know I also stream Twitch, and I actually decided to create a Twitch trash can series, but I'm not gonna put it on this channel. I also actually find it kind of sad that I'm talking so much about game stuff slowly on this channel, because it was intended to do more car stuff, so I created a second channel, and it's just for garbage and gaming, so I'm just throwing everything over there. Hello, Shabayu.
Hello there.
I didn't expect a guy voice.
I would love to lay my eggs in your ears.
Oh, what the fuck, no. So if you're interested in random, more entertaining and funny stuff and less just educational, head over to that channel as well. Otherwise, just stay here or watch both. I don't care. Whatever you want to watch, feel free. So that's it for today. Yeah, and you have suggestions or maybe also sources that I can talk to or anything, just tell me, send it over. It's a super exciting topic still. Yeah, that's it for today, and see you, I don't know, pretty soon next week. Bye.